Sort of out of breath. Melanie, from the Philippines. How do you like this weather?
Not really like it.
No fun anymore? No. Are you done with winter?
Yes.
Melanie, no more. We had a taste of spring weeks ago and now we're spoiled. I'm digging out. It's hard work. It's turning heavy and I'm trying to dig out the property. The birds are we shoveled the birds out and they're eating happily. Melanie fed them on a piece of cardboard so they have a place for their food. I'm working on the solar panels, but the tree is down heavily weighted on the solar panel and I'm trying to work my way out of the driveway. The snow is condensing due to the sun shining, so it's about half of what it was already. The road is not plowed, but after the end of the day, if it keeps up, right now I'll be dragging bottom here. I might be able to drive out if I really had to in emergency, but I don't know if the camera shows the proportions well, but I think that would be dragging bottom on the car. Hopefully it won't be an issue. Oh yeah, the truck was dragging bottom, so the car will definitely not make it here. My neighbors have a four-wheel drive truck. But another day or so, we'll probably be out of here. I still have a lot of shoveling and scraping to do on the car and free up the trees. Melanie grabbed the shovel. We have two shovels. She's got one. I don't know what she's doing going to the garage, but she's got a shovel. See over here where she is in the shade, it's deeper still. It's a good 8 inches yet. Even though it's melting some, it's still a good 8 inches where she is. And we're working together to clean up the property. Using a lot more wood than I thought, but fortunately we have enough for a while, so we'll see how it goes. There's the sun. Intermittent sun. Snowmageddon 2018. Springtime. Wow. Pufferball. Oh, a lot of people are giving me flack about the cat. The pufferball is still half wild. So he doesn't want to come in. He wants to come in, but he doesn't. You open the door and you call him and he sits there crying. Because he's terrified of being in enclosed areas. And so we can leave him outdoors, but he just does not want to be in the house. Last time I took him in, I looked like a piece of hamburger when I was done. And Melanie, you can ask Melanie for verification. He loves to be loved outdoors, but don't take him in the house. Not unless you want it. Melanie. What happened last time I took Pufferball in the house? How did I look afterwards?
Scratch all over.
Uh-huh. It wasn't pretty, was it? Mm-hmm. So he's scared outdoors, but he's scared indoors. So he's been hiding under here right now. And he lives up in the greenhouse on the higher shelf most of the time. But he won't go under the trailer anymore. Something happened. Something happened out here that he will not go underneath anymore. Anyway. We'll let you know how it goes if we get any more snow. We had to shovel twice this morning already. That, guys, is a near whiteout. Every time I grab the camera though, it's almost done, but you can't see the other side of the yard at times. Actually, sometimes you can't see the back side of the solar panel. It's not snowing anymore, but it's blowing, and that is what causes the danger in a snowstorm or after. The snow is just blowing and filling up the paths that we shoveled out. So I hope I can capture it later on, but I don't know, it's hard to. It is blowing hard today, which is good though, it'll clear the trees off. I have another mining rig sitting here, and I now desperately need to get out in the wood shop and get these two rigs now built up. But it's going to be some work before I get out to the wood shop again. I got to build frames for them. Well, it turned out to be a beautiful day, oddly. After all the wind died down and the snow blowing. Very, very strange in comparison. Hardly a cloud in the sky. Still breezy. You can see the neighbors' flags flying. But the worst of it's over. Look at that. And the snow is mostly going away. Solar panels cleaned off. Got some bare ground where I shoveled. I didn't finish all this. I've been working on other things, but there's not much snow left over here. Look at that. After a day of sun, in places there's nothing left. It's a little bit deeper over here for some reason, oddly, right on the road. But I'm gonna go out and check the mail. Hopefully it's over. They're calling for snow on Friday unless they changed it. No, I am not getting out here with the car. Not gonna happen. Just realized that.